Hi guys, we're going to have a quick look at some index laws, so dividing particular bases and what happens with the powers. So if we start off with this first question here, 36x to the power of 7 over 12x to the power of 4, because a fraction is the same as writing the division symbol. So when we are dividing things, we're going to go through and we're going to divide the numbers first. So 36 over 12 is the same as 3. So we pop 3 at the top there. And when we're dividing these expressions here, so x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 4, then we need to subtract their indices. And that's according to the second index law, I think it is. So we end up with 3x to the power of 3. And this would just be over 1. So we don't need to write that. Okay, let's have a go at this second one now. So x squared y to the power of 4 over x y to the power of 3. So again, when we are dividing, we're going to subtract the indices. So this is a little sneaky hidden 1 here. We generally don't write the 1. We just assume that it's there. So x to the power of 2 take 1 is just going to be x to the power of 1. And again, we're not going to write that. And then y to the power of 4 divided by y to the power of 3 is the same as 4 take 3. So this is just going to be y to the power of 1. And again, we're not going to write that sneaky 1. Okay, so that was question 1. That was question 2. Last one here, question 3. So g to the power of 8 to the power of 2 over g to the power of 5 to the power of 2. So using BOMDAS, we're going to sort out the bracket situation first, and then we'll go ahead and we'll divide. So this is now using, I think it's our fourth index law. When we raise a power to a power, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these powers, because effectively what we're saying is g to the power of 8 times by g to the power of 8. And when we are multiplying, we're going to add, so we get g to the power of 16. So just to save ourselves a little time, what we can do is we can just multiply them when they're in the brackets like this. All right, let's do the same for the bottom function now. So g to the power of 5 to the power of 2. So when we're raising a power to a power, we're going to times these two, and we end up with g to the power of 10. And now this is just a simple division, so we're going to subtract our two powers, so we end up with g to the power of 6. All right, have a good day. See you later.